Up for sale, 1957 Chevy pickup. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please have a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 57 3100 pickup, finished in blue and white with gray interior. Original Texas truck, original metal, 6-cylinder, and 3-speed on the column. Of course, I'm going to go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So of course we'll start her in the front as always. And a little bit of patina yet again on this original metal truck. And again, I can't believe it, not a patchman panel on it. The underneath is pristine original all the way around. I mean, when I went knocking, even the rocker sounds pristine there. Cab corner sounds great. Original here. It's even got the original, work style bumper on the back. I believe it to be a one repaint, maybe a mix of some repaint, some original, because this kind of appears original. But anyway, unmolested, still with the original 6-cylinder, 3-speed on the column, runs and drives great. I mean, turnkey, fires right up, everything works, lights, gauges, wipers, horn, blower. They put an aftermarket radio in it, which again, good thing to do if you were going to change something on the truck. White bumper in the front. I know I'm blocking it here. Again, has your patina, your chips, your nicks, stuff like that on it. Which again go for the grill and the paint. I mean, there's going to be some, blemishes on here from age, of course. A little bit of that. Any kind of like rust I found on the body was like below this hood, so I assume this is some susceptible area. Then this is, nice original piece of chrome there. But the hood lines up nice. You see there? Lines up nice there as well. But let's go ahead, we'll pop the hood open here. Like I said, original 6, not a molested engine bay at all. Nice radiator. Engine, I would say, is finished the way you want it to be. Newer battery in there. You can tell by looking at the carburetor that received some work, pretty recently. It's nice, it's clean looking. But anyway, not that makes a difference. Firewall, clean, unmolested. Inner fender well, same deal there. Zoom out a bit. New horns just put in. And again, I'm just gonna get in, just fire it up. 12-volt electric. Still got some of the Texas stickers in there as well. Another nice thing is this: the dash and the steering wheel. All this looks super, super nice. Put a little radio in there nicely. You've got this in case you wanted to plug your phone in, kind of retracts in there. I do actually like that idea, so it's not just a dangling wire. Make sure we're in gear or out of gear. Just make sure. Before it goes. Okay, we're good. Stainless exhaust on it, which does sound kind of nice. And she just runs like a sewing machine. Nice clean underhood as well. VIN is in place where it should be, unmoved, not tampered with. Got original piece of, trim on here. Excuse me. You can see some little, blemishes, some areas that were blended, years ago. I've seen this on a lot of these patina vehicles that I get. White wall radial tires with the factory style hubcaps. Love the look that they went with. Some more of that. Nice in here. You know, some little bubbles, but again, it's on original metal, which is nice to see. See some little nicks, some little chips, stuff like that here. You can see they blended an area from the gas cap. You know, oil, gasoline leaking over the years. And some little blemishes here on the door edge, as expected, but no rot here, no pinholes there. And then I didn't really show you when I hopped in, but the door is nice, the original paint there. The glass is original, of course, so this one's cracked. And this has some of that little film separation, I call it. Kind of expected. Look in here, it's nice. It's got a newer floor mat in there. The seat was definitely redone at some point. No rips on that. You see a little discoloration on the side, but the seat itself is nice. Bose speakers for the radio. And again, you can see how nice it is down there. They did a lot of newer wiring in the dash, which is a good thing, of course. All the original gauges work, except the temp, which works there. But again, look how nice the dash is painted. I mean, a little dust on there, but really nice. So when I always like that in these patina vehicles, when you're sitting in something that has the patina look you want, but then when you're in it, it's nice, it's clean, it's comfortable. You know, the seats are great shape, the floor is, the dash looks nice. Aftermarket wiper switch. And then in here was a manual and a chassis manual. Shop manual, excuse me. Shop manual and the operating manual. New visor in the back, or new mirror, excuse me. Nice original visor here. Nice in here. If you look back here, you see the newer gas tank that they put in. Nice window in the back, nice seal. Same goes for the front windshield. I was looking to see if I could see the original stamping for the windshield, but it could be under the Texas stickers here. But no cracks in the windshield or the other two, just this one. You know, little blemishes like this around the top. This is, you know, very common. The white was a nice touch as well that you see there. It's got a spare tire in place. It's not a good spare. It's more for looks. But again, I showed you that there was no rust. For what you can see in here. You know, no rust, no bubbling. Your typical blemishes around the bed. And I might as well put it down. You can watch me suffer. One thing I did notice is it's not all dented and beat up in the bed, which is pretty interesting. Wood bed in the back is in great shape as well. The brakes are fantastic on the truck. It shifts awesome. You saw it turns, it fires right up. Even when it's cold and you have to play with the choke, it starts immediately. You see some blemishes there on the truck as well. No rust, no pinholes. That's original. Again, nice in here. Nice in here. I mean, some more chips and whatnot, but nice, not bondoed up.
Are you ready?
Almost. Some little blemishes here again. Nice in here. Nice weather stripping as well around this. I didn't point that out on the other side, but nice weather stripping. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. 57 Chevy pickup. Original metal Texas truck. Patina, kind of like a Survivor, unmolested. 6-cylinder, 3-speed on the column. Stainless exhaust, radial tires. Not a attachment panel on the truck. But anyway, thank you for watching. And we are going to fire it up now and drive it.
Anyway, shifting, stopping, steering, acceleration, it's all right there and dialed in. Everything's working. Smooth running motor. Easy to drive.
No, that's fantastic.
Starts right up. Holds the road. Steering is responsive and tight.
Has a great turn radius too.
Oh yeah.